going to be explaining to you guys how you can add multiple products at the same time on your Shopify store. So let's get right into it. Now, what you need to do to add multiple products is to already have some products on hand. You're going to be importing them through the CSV file. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. If we go into products, it's going to take me immediately to the products page. And now, as you can see, you have the add product button in the top right. However, once I enter it, as you'll see, this is only for a singular product, and I cannot add multiple products this way. I'm just going to discard this one, and as you can see, I already have one over here, but it doesn't really matter. Now, what you're going to want to do, as I've mentioned, is we're going to import some products. For this, you need a list in a CSV format, which you're going to be importing onto your site. Now, you can find sample product lists as I have on the internet and try and import them to make sure everything works and to see in general what the actual formatting is so that you can add a product for your store or add a list of products to your store through that file. Now, as I mentioned, I already downloaded a file, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on import, and then as you can see, you can download a sample CSV from here, but I'll just go into add file since I already have it. I'll go into my downloads, and as you can see, I have the product template over here. Click OK. And as you can see, it has been added over here. You can publish new products to all sales channels and override products with matching handles. And then all you have to do is just click upload and preview. And that should be it. As you can see, you can now find the preview of your products. I'll just click import products. And after a couple of seconds, once it actually finishes, your products will be added in multiple products will be added at the same time to your store. And that's pretty much all there is to it. As you can see, they have been added, and that's all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.